Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to find your search history by date on Facebook using your PC. With Facebook's recent update, the process has become even more streamlined. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, open your web browser and head to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find the Settings and Privacy option. Click on that and then select Activity Log from the submenu. This will take you to a page that shows all your recent activity on Facebook. Now on the left side of the Activity Log page, you'll see various categories. Look for the Search option and click on it. This will open up your search history, where all your past Facebook searches are stored. At the top of the search history page, you'll notice a date filter. Click on this to open up the date selection tool. Here's where you can narrow down your search history to a specific time period. You can choose to view searches from the past day, week, month, or even set a custom date range. Once you've selected the period you're interested in, don't forget to click Save Changes to apply the filter. And there you have it. You'll now see all your Facebook searches from the date range you specified. This feature is incredibly useful if you're trying to find that one specific search you did a while back but can't quite remember when. Remember, Facebook regularly updates its interface, so these steps might change slightly in the future. But for now, this is the most up-to-date method to find your search history by date on Facebook using your PC. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Until next time.